This video contains information on some of the neglected plants that have medicinal properties described in Indian medicinal systems like Ayurveda and Siddha. India has many areas with rich biodiversity. Some of these areas are Himalayas, the Western Ghats, the Nilgiris of the south, the Sundarbans of the east, etc. India has a rich tradition of inclusive growth that allows everyone to share the resources provided by Mother Nature without causing harm to the ecosystem. However, our current lifestyle moves us away from the Mother Nature, and hence there is a need to educate our students about our ecosystem and its components. Many of the plants provide food, wood, chemical and other material useful in our daily life. Forests are home to many animals. Today we will see some of the useful plants that we can easily locate on the roadsides and gardens. Most of the plants have some or the other use. We will try to learn some of their uses. Please be aware that the information given here is not researched by any pharmacological standard. Use your own judgment if you wish to use any of the information provided in this video. Always consult a doctor before taking any medicine. The first plant we are going to introduce is the milky weed. It can be easily identified by the milky juice it secretes when a leaf or branch is broken. There are at least two known variants of this species, each with its own specific advantages. Decoction of the fresh plant can be used to gargle in case of mouth ulcers. Milky juice is dropped in the eye for eye diseases. Tumbe, the sacred plant, is common in dry areas but also found in the ghats. The most common variety has white flowers, while in the ghats we can also see this plant with bright red flowers. Infusion of these leaves is grandma's medicine for fever. Decoction of the plant is used as a laxative. By the way, infusion is made by pouring hot water over leaves or other plant material. Decoction is boiled to concentrate the liquid. The third plant, Kirunelli, belongs to the same family as Amla or Nelli, but the plant and the fruit are very small. The plant bears flowers and fruits below the bipinnate leaf. See the alternating arrangement of leaves and the small flowers below the leaf. This plant is generally recommended for urinary problems. You should use the whole plant, crush and mix 10 grams in a liter of water and drink 2 to 3 cups per day. The next plant we are going to introduce is called Punarnava in Sanskrit. As the name indicates, the plant can rejuvenate the body. It is a generic medicine for geriatric care. Roots, seeds and the leaves of the plants are used. Decoction of the roots is potent drug for liver-related problems. When you drive around fields in villages, you will see this plant on the border of fields. Most of the animals do not eat the leaf and hence it is good for hedges around gardens. However, it has other uses too. The white flowers of the plant are formed on a beautiful raceme. The plant is used as a medicine for bronchitis and other respiratory problems. Ayurvedic shops generally sell a syrup called adasol made by boiling leaves of this plant in jaggery. The decoction of mature yellow leaves gives best results. Jaggery acts as a preservative and taste enhancer. Brahmi is well known for hair oil. To make Brahmi hair oil, boil the leaves of this plant in coconut oil. Consuming leaves as a chutney is said to improve memory. Brahmi grows in rich soil in shade. Generally, you can find it growing around rivers and lakes. In Ayurveda, another plant, botanically called Bacopa monnieri, is also known by the same name as Brahmi. It is said that the plants are different, but both of them contain the same medicinal value. Assignment. There are many plants you can see around you. Try to recognize the plant shown in the following slides. You should look for information on these plants and document their properties and uses. Also note down difficult words and find out their meanings. The first plant is Gabbu Savanti, Triadax procumbens. It is a plant of South American origin but grows profusely in India. The juice of the crushed leaves is used to stop hemorrhage from fresh wounds. Infusion of the leaves can be used as a gargle for removing phlegm from bronchial tubes. The second plant is periwinkle. This plant is a known anti-carcinogenic. It is used in preparation of anti-cancer drugs. Decoction of the root can be used as a purgative or a strong laxative. The third plant is Ekka. This plant is used for religious purposes. Juice of the young buds can be used for ear infections. The fourth and the fifth are called Vanamuguli and Sanna Vanamuguli. Both these plants are used to treat mouth ulcers and paralysis of the tongue. Try to locate these plants and study them. We now come to the end of this session. We have discussed about some of the common weeds and plants we can find around our gardens, roads, homes and school. Try to locate them as you move around. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.